Welcome to Endone. This channel brings you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you get the most out of your Android devices. Today's video covers what to do when your Android phone won't switch to portrait mode. Here is how an Android user described the issue on a forum. My home screen won't switch to portrait mode, it stays stuck in landscape mode. I've tried a few suggestions, but none worked for me. Has anyone else encountered this problem? If so, please help me fix the issue where Android screen rotation to portrait mode isn't working. We understand that you might be facing the same problem. If your Android phone won't rotate to portrait mode, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain the cause and show you how to fix the issue and get your device working properly again. Cause 1. Auto rotate is turned off. The solution is to turn on the auto rotate function. If your Android device is currently in landscape mode and auto rotate is disabled, it might seem like there is a problem with the device failing to rotate to portrait view. If auto rotate is the culprit, the fix is simple. Follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen, then swipe down again to open the full menu bar. Look for the Portrait button in the menu. If it isn't highlighted, auto rotate is turned off. Simply tap it to turn it on. Once enabled, the button label will change to Auto Rotate. Then, check if the issue with your phone not switching to portrait mode has been resolved. Cause 2. Software issues. The solution is to restart your phone. Often, restarting your phone can resolve most software issues on Android devices. Many users go weeks without restarting their phones. It's a common habit. However, restarting refreshes the system, closes running apps and processes, and fixes various errors. So, please try restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically reboot to the home screen. Alternatively, you can look for the power off icon or button on that screen to shut down the phone completely. Wait about a minute, and then turn it back on. If the issue where your Android phone won't switch to portrait mode is caused by a temporary glitch, restarting the phone should resolve it. Cause 3. Software bug. Solution. Perform a software update. Software malfunctions or bugs can affect your Android phone's functionality. If your Android screen won't switch to portrait mode, it might be due to a software anomaly. Therefore, you can try updating your software, as newer versions may have fixed this issue. Go to Settings on your phone, scroll down to find and tap System or Software Update. If an update is available, the system will prompt you to download it. Follow the on-screen prompts. Once downloaded, follow the instructions on the screen to install the update. After completion, your Android phone will shut down and restart. Finally, check if the issue persists. Cause 4. App conflict. Solution. Enter safe mode to test apps. If you downloaded a third-party app before the issue occurred, that app might be conflicting with the system. We recommend uninstalling the app to resolve the problem. However, to confirm that an app is indeed the cause, you can first try entering safe mode. Safe mode runs only system-native apps and disables third-party apps. If the phone works normally in safe mode, then a specific app is likely causing the issue. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and volume up button until recovery mode appears. Use the volume and power buttons to select safe mode. From the menu options, your Android phone will then boot into safe mode. If safe mode appears at the bottom of the screen and the phone works normally, it confirms that the screen rotation issue is caused by an app. Locate the problematic app and delete it. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap Restart to return the phone to normal mode. After restarting, your Android phone should function normally. Cause 5. Other software issues. Solution. Perform a factory reset. If the steps above fail to resolve the issue where portrait mode isn't working on your Android phone, you can try performing a factory reset. Restoring factory settings will erase all personal information on the device. Please back up your data before performing the reset. Otherwise, all data will be lost. Follow these steps to perform a factory reset. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates, then select Reset on the new screen, and finally choose Reset Phone. Once the reset is complete, your Android device may require you to reactivate the phone. Please follow the on-screen prompts. This should resolve the issue where the device fails to rotate to portrait mode. Cause 6. Hardware malfunction. Solution. Visit a service center. If you have reached this point and the issue where the Android screen remains stuck in landscape view persists, it is time to visit a service center. There may be a hardware malfunction, which is not something you should attempt to fix yourself. Therefore, Please take your Android phone to the nearest trusted service center to have them inspect and repair the problem. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, please leave them in the comments section. If this helped you fix an Android phone that wouldn't switch to portrait mode, feel free to like this video. Also, let us know in the comments which method worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.